Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about soap making and other handmade products. You can find videos on bar and liquid soaps, wax tablets and many other products. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell button so you don't miss out on any updates. Useful links and details are also provided in the description below. For this month's challenge, we are doing the kiss pour technique. This technique was really challenging for me as trace was difficult to control. I definitely need more practice for this technique. I used the slow moving formula that I've always used with 45% olive oil. I started to give the soap a quick hand stir with the spatula and whisk before switching to the stick blender. To avoid overblending with the stick blender, I only gave the batter about 15 quick pulses and hand stirred the soap batter until it reached an emulsion. This time I used an essential oil blend of orange and patchouli. Remember to use well-behaving essential oils or else it would be such a nightmare. I find clove and benzoin essential oils are a definite no-no for this technique. I kept hand stirring until I found no traces of oil floating on top of my soap batter. Then I slid the batter into 4 equal portions. I colored them pink with pink clay, black with activated charcoal, grey-blue with blue clay, and white with titanium dioxide. I then let the soap to sit until it reached a light trace. Then I chose to complement the pink with the grey-blue, white with the black, and then pour each color on opposite sides of the short mouth pitcher. For the other pitcher, I've chosen to use one with a longer neck for an easier pour. Then again pouring each color down the opposite sides. Next step is to slowly pour both of the containers into my slab mold at the same time, creating a waterfall between them where the two streams kiss. You really need a steady hand for this technique. Keep pouring until you finish your soap batter. I really think I should have stopped my pour at this point for a cleaner design, but I think my sense of not wanting to waste soap overcame me and I kept pouring. I gave it a few taps on the table to even out the soap in the mold, and then used a chopstick to give the center a quick swirl to finish the look. I don't think I've done well for this challenge, with 2 failed attempts and the soap was too soft for a good cleanup. But this was a fun technique to use and I definitely would try it again in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.